the wire has a potential of 0.215 volts, and the right end is positive. What is the magnetic field? Assuming the magnetic field, by the way, is either into the page or out of the page, right? Okay, so let's see. The right end is positive. So which way is the magnetic field? Let's figure this out. Okay, so imagine a positive. Okay, put your index finger down the page, right? Okay, and then put your thumb this way. Okay, so let's see. Index finger that way. Oh boy. Okay, I can do this. Index finger down. Do you guys get into the page? I get my middle fingers into the page. Okay, so my B is into the page, or X, right? All right, so we've answered that. Into the page. There we go. And now we just have to solve for the EMF, right? So EMF is BVL, and we have 0.215 volts is equal to B times how fast? 2.45. And then our L is 1.75. I can do this. 0.215 divided by 2.45 divided by 1.75. And I get 0.0501. 0.0501, yeah. 0.0501 Teslas into the page. Yeah.